Okay. Is that enough area to have your layer in the front, or you want more?
Sorry?
You see how it is right here now? You want more? No,
Sure.
this is good.
No, you can do more.
I can do more?
Like a tiny little bit.
One kind of it? Okay. We'll go here, okay?
Sure.
Okay. So you think you'll put my finger here? So I got a point I can go to?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Oh my god, look how uneven that is.
yes. So this is how much, okay? And after that, it's good to put a little bit of layer here that will give you that feather look, okay?
Okay.
All right. So you see here, I'm gonna, and you like this to be long, right?
Yeah.
From here, right
I
there.
don't want to go any shorter.
Then it's shorter than here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
So anywhere you think you can.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this right from the center, and I'll cut this. And when I go like this, automatically this will be longer for the perfect cut already. Okay. What I'm gonna do next, so I think not the feel cut so it's so blunt on the band.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm just gonna put like this.
Open it up.
Set up. This is called point cutting. I'm creating a bit of texture. Okay. And then after that, I'm gonna cut these. You can section it, but I do a lot, so I just go like this. That's your length in the front. These are the weight. I'm gonna keep these off, and I'll give it a little lighter for you. Okay. Okay, and I want to see how the hair goes. And go ahead, play with it. What do you think?
Yeah, they're great.
Valla tamam kan diyordur.
And then
Ben gökey çek.
this one next to you,
Yeah, so I didn't continue it. So if you can, once you see it, you're gonna see it. It's
Yeah.
really choppy because
Yeah.
I was scared to cut further. So if you
you want
can
me
just
to
like,
blend in?
if you can blend.
I can blend. So basically, you want to blend. Okay. So what I do, I cut the very little stuff I cut like that. I cut it raw, the line, okay? And then I'm gonna put this up in here. Part two. Got it straight over here. I'm only cutting the key hair as I go down. Okay, and now go. That's the first time this one. What do you think? Starting up?
Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah, I just needed it blended, so that's perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And we just put this over here. Over here. So I'm looking for the piece right here. That's where it's at. When you're doing this, you gotta be very focused. When your blade is open, time space is in front. Sometimes it's higher. The eyes are there, so make sure you pay attention. Don't let anything distract you. Okay? And you do using this method, okay? Go ahead, play with it, see what you think.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then